In this tutorial, I'll show you how to combine and merge files into one PDF file using Adobe Acrobat. So on my computer, I have a folder open and it has 4 files inside of it. It has a PDF and a couple JPEGs. I want to combine all of these files into one PDF together. Adobe Acrobat makes it very simple to do this. By the way, I'm using a Mac computer with the 2024 version of Adobe Acrobat, so yours may look a little bit different than mine. Within Acrobat, you can go to File, Create, and say Combine Files into a single PDF. This allows you to now search for the files that you want, and I'm just going to select all 4 of these. These are different file types also. Some are JPEGs, one is a PDF. So it doesn't really matter what file types you're putting in here as long as they're compatible with a PDF reader. Say Add Files. And so now I can see them together in this window. You can organize them. So if you want the photos first or last, you can move them around. You can also add additional files here. Now I'm finished organizing my files. Let's go to Combine, the top right. So let's look through this now. First is my PDF, and that had several pages in it. But after that, here are my images. And you'll see that it named it kind of something funny, Binder 1 PDF. You'll want to rename this file now. Let's go to File, Save As, and choose where on your computer you want to save it. Click Save. And now here's my combined PDF. So that's how you combine and merge files into one PDF using Adobe Acrobat. Subscribe to Crye Studio for more graphic design and Adobe tutorials. Thanks so much.